Hey guys, it's Gene from Jbassangler, and I'm here fishing 59th Street Pond in Central Park with my good friend Andrew right there.
What's up?
Fish have been biting today, man. Fish have been biting. What?
It's slow so far.
It's alright. I feel like all the fish on this side.
Yeah,
to be honest.
probably. I mean, normally they're on this side. And maybe they're all in the feeding spot.
Yeah, dude, they were like all
They're all in
schooling
the shade, bro.
Yeah, most likely.
Freaking. But you can't see.
Oh, I was gonna see, where's my Polaroid glasses? I think we'll go this way. So guys, in that garbage. Oh, dude, something has it. Got one! Oh, this is a monster. Oh! Andrew! Oh my god, this is... Oh, dude! Dude, look at that. Oh, dude! Look at that. Oh my god. Dude.
That's a 5.
I got the weigher, man.
Holy shit.
Dude, we're in the garbage, man. Look at that fish, man. Let me get that.
That freaking stuck.
Let me get that, dude. I have to get a picture too, man. 323, man.
Oh shit. It looks like even bigger.
Dude, it looks freaking
Here, get
huge.
it on my scale.
Dude, holy, dude, I was right in the garbage.
It looks like a
Dude, I told you, man, right in the garbage. It hit it twice. So I'm gonna have to get a picture of that, man.
How big is it? 343. 343.
3.5, man.
3.5.
All right, man. Hold on, let me get it.
Yeah, you got him? Alright, good.
Let me get a picture, man.
Let me look.
Dude, garbage fish, man. Garbage fish. Dude, that's a great one. Oh, dude, this thing is huge. Look at this, man. Look at this. All right, dude, let's get him back in the water. Holy crap, dude. Dude, that's...
Look at his gut. That might be close to the same size as the one I caught before. Might be a little smaller, but it's just so big. He's a little short.
There he goes.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, that guy was huge.
That was a freaking monster.
Holy, man. Dude, that... Dude, literally, I threw it right there, man. You guys can see in the video. I threw it right there. Right where this glitter is piled up, dude. Hit it twice, man. Set the hook. Holy crap. That was a big fish, man. Hey guys, so just caught that big fish. Fishing my buddy Andrew over here. Yeah, dude. That was crazy, man. Threw it right there.
I thought it was like a 5.
Next to that litter, dude. Just bumped twice, man. Maybe, dude. Dude, do a jig, man. Maybe just go back to that crawl you were using. That's a great fish, man. I know, dude. That was freaking... Oh, dude, I got one! Oh! That's a small one, man. Dude, I was really... Dude, I stopped. I was really in it. He chased it, man. You should throw on that chatterbait, man. They're active. All right, guys. Got my second fish.
I didn't bring any jigs today.
This guy's been caught so many times. It's just a small little fish, man. Still a good one. We're here fishing the pond, 59th Street, Central Park. But Andrew over there, and they're biting, man. All right, let's get back.